Welcome, friends. This is the wood-fired clay brick pizza oven that Jules and I picked up last fall. And there's a few videos farther back on the channel where we unboxed it and we fired it up for the first time. Now, over the course of this summer, we're probably going to use it weekly for cooking pizzas and roasts and all kinds of different things. So we're going to have a lot of content using this clay brick wood oven. And I thought the first thing we should do with it this spring is learn how to start it, because the first couple times I started it, I didn't do such a great job. I tried to pack in too much wood, pack it too closely, it didn't light quickly. I got lots of smoke, but not lots of fire. So here are some things that I've learned that will hopefully help you out when you get a clay brick wood pizza oven. The first thing is to start with wood that is very small. You don't want to use big logs. You want to make sure that you cut them fairly finely and resist the urge to pack the stove too tightly with this wood. The next thing you're going to need is something that catches fire really quickly. And what I found I really like are cedar shavings. And I just bought some cedar shakes at the home store and then used a wood plane to cut down and make some shavings. And I find that these work really well. Another thing that I've seen pizza places use are egg cartons. So if you have some egg cartons, these burn really well to help start the fire. And of course, there's the old standby packing paper. If you order anything from Amazon, you'll probably have reams and reams of this packing paper. It's clean, it lights really well, and it starts the fire easily. You can also use these little fire starter cubes. I would make sure that you get ones that are all natural. These claim to be all natural. I think they're coir and wax, so they won't give off any noxious fumes. They won't harm the inside of the oven. Personally, I'm not going to use them because I really like the cedar shavings, but this is an option. And of course, the last thing you're going to need is a really good butane torch. These torches burn hot, they burn quickly, lots of flame, they start everything really fast. So let's build a fire. Okay, so we essentially build a log cabin inside the wood oven, alternating back and forth. Build it kind of in the middle, give it lots of space, lots of air. Now, into the middle of that, I'm going to stick some of our Curly Q cedar shavings. And you can be quite generous with them because there's a lot of space in between them, a lot of air. And then on top of that, another couple of layers of log cabin building. And then the top layer, I'll lay 2 or 3 across just to let everything catch fire. Now we come in with the butane torch. And the fire is lit. Now, once I've got that burning really nicely, I take a couple of chunks of larger wood and I just put them here at the mouth, just to start preheating them so that they're hot when I go to put them onto the fire. Helps them burst into flames a lot faster, keeps the whole thing moving along. Now, at about the 10-minute mark, the fire's going pretty well, and I take the larger logs and I just start building the fire up. And that's it. It's pretty much going at this point. Now, you just start loading in wood and building a fire that will be appropriate to what you want to cook. If you want to cook pizzas, you've got to get a really hot fire going. You want to bring that oven temperature right up. If you're cooking like roasts or a porchetta or something like that, or chicken, you want a low, slow fire because you only really want to reach about 350 degrees inside. And that's something that you're going to learn over time. It's something that I'm still working on. This is cooking with live fire. It's a lot of fun, but it's a little bit more work than cooking in an oven or in a barbecue. But the payoff is well worth it. So, come on along, watch the next few episodes, watch us cook along with us. Thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you again soon.